Thought I'd try to talk to you. Baby, am I ever glad you wanted me to? It's been 2 years to the day, half the time I've been away. I know I'm not there enough, but that's gonna change. 'Cause I'm coming back to show you that I'm keeping the promise I made. When I'm with you, I'll make every second count, 'cause I miss you. Whenever you're not around, when I kiss you, I'll still get butterflies years from now. I'll make every second count when I'm with you. Yeah, we've had our ups and downs, but we've always worked them out. Baby, am I ever glad we got this far now? Still I'm lying here tonight, wishing I was by your side. 'Cause when I'm not there enough, nothing feels right. So I'm coming back to show you that I love you the rest of
kahit hindi susuko sa kahit anumang dumating. Pangarap na nais makamit ay walang halaga sa akin. Ano nga bang hihigit pa sa piling mo aking sinta? Pagmamahal mula sa'yo ay ang lahat, lahat sa akin. Kung ito'y magiging hadlang sa ating pag-ibig, iaalay para sarili kong mithin. Pag-ibig mo ang tanging nanaisin, at ang bukas ng iyong tagumpay.